Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. In this session, I'm just going to discuss about my Google Sheet, the new month contract update for October, and both intraday and weekly positional is going to update here, and monthly is going to be update, and that details which we are going to discuss and how effectively we can use this Google Sheet for our positional strategy based on our advanced option strategy concept and intraday and inside camarilla. So that I'm going to discuss here, and inside camarilla is the new feature which we have added on our Google Sheet. Based on the previous day levels, we are finding out an inside camarilla here. So this may be helping you to find out how to get some stocks, because we are using some tool to find this trick these things from previous closing price based, where I'm just finding out the stocks based on the closing price of the options. And then we select a strike price, we are analyzing the strike price, and from there we are going to updating. So what are the strike price which forming inside are narrow. Narrow is means the levels of today, it is completely inside between the previous day R3 and S3, not on R4 and S4. So R4 and S4 we will be getting a lot of stocks, and you will be finding many stocks. Into the difficulty is to find out lot of stocks from that, which one I want to take it. That is very difficult, but for that we are selecting some stock from very tight in range. So that is the sheet which we have added newly on our Google Sheet, and that will help you to find out some good opportunity on intraday basis. For an example, these are all the previous day, and that means on Friday, these are all the Friday stocks. Let me check Cummins India 3850 call option. So as per in scenario 3850 call option, and maybe this is a new contract, may have low liquidity. Just I will be going for a 5 minutes time frame. So where I just 5 minutes or whatever the time frame which you are take, and because of the low liquidity, and exactly you look at this inside level, how to find. I find out before the day and before market open, so we are updated that levels into our group. Okay, so here that R4 breakout, should I look for an intraday, and S4 as a stop loss if I'm keeping as a positional, or R4 maybe a stop loss if you are taking for intraday, or R3 also depends on your risk. But what exactly we are finding out the stock, it is completely inside between the previous day, and it is inside between the R3 and S3 of that previous day, that we consider this is a narrow level. So we are looking for an R4 breakout and maybe S4 as a stop loss. Even if it is R4 breakout, that should break after 9:30. That would be a good opportunity. I'm just looking for an intraday. After 9:30 only, I'm just looking at the stock which triggers the level. It would be a valid one. So if it is triggers in the first candle, I should ignore. So Dabur 630 call option. So let me check Dabur 630 call option, and let me check how that levels, and it is low liquid, and doesn't have the liquidity. But if it doesn't have a liquid, and you should ignore UBL 2180, and call option, it is an insight where you can look at this. It's the exact insight between the previous day's level, and this would be a breakout, and then it moves higher. So that one, and this is also illiquid one. But if you're finding any liquid stocks, then it would be a better Berger Pen 620, and this is what previously we are updating the strike prices, which is going to be all the stocks. But here we are looking for only narrow. So previously we updated. Just a second. Okay, so this is the level which we are looking at an insight. Okay, that is what a new feature which we added. And narrow is about a stock which is R3 and S3, and I'm just ignoring that inside one, because we will be getting a lot of stocks to avoid that. I'm just ignoring this. Only in this sheet is we will be going to update it only the narrow levels. And intraday, you know very well about this intraday strategy. It is about to find a breakouts, that camarilla R4 breakout that happened on a particular stock. So for example, Excite 480, that would be the top stocks by yesterday, and it should be break the R4 level. after the second candle onwards. That we consider that is a valid one. But in this case where you can see the first candle, the high is exactly 15.5, that R4 level also 15.5. It doesn't break the level. So it was given the breakout on 9:45 to 9:15 candle. Maybe intraday I should keep my stop loss below R4, sorry, below pivot or R3. And there is a good movement which is happening. And here also I'll be just looking at after 9:30. I'm just finding out a good breakout opportunity. And what are the stock which break the level, there it will be mentioned here. But after that, after the breakout, if the price down, it will be, it may be going down. So before taking a trade, you need to confirm whether it is a fresh breakout. So how do I find out a confirm of fresh breakout? The trigger, when we are looking for an R4 breakout, you should confirm prior to the day it never breaks the level. That should be a fresh breakout. And if it is breaks, and you should ignore. And if it is break the R4 level in the first 15 minutes candle, or about to the high made about to the R4 level, that stocks you should simply ignore, because by using this particular scanner, so we are not going to find out 10-20 stocks per day. How do we successfully find one or two stocks for this particular method? So that is the main use of this particular intraday Google Sheet scanner. It will be scanning all 184 F1 stocks, sorry, 180 at this moment, 181 F1 stocks it will be finding out. And monthly sheet, it's a positional based, and based on our advanced option strategy concept which we are looking for. And this is going to update it from tomorrow only, whatever tomorrow evening only. So tomorrow level, so 30th September, whatever the level it's shown, it is based on the September contract strike price, but the LTP which is updating here is October contract. So you will be getting some confusion here. Only on first of every month we are updating this sheet, and Monday, after getting our advanced levels, and Monday evening you will be getting update here. Next tomorrow you don't ignore the sheet, it will be not showing the right value. So weekly sheet, but it is going to be start from tomorrow onwards, and I will be updating the weekly sheet. And this four stocks we are running this weekly sheet for last one day, that is what, 27th, because 26th is an expiry, 27th Friday only it is running. So already we discussed you should use this for intraday purpose only. And we have a 4 or 5 stocks, that is BPCL, Exide, IOC, that are triggered. And from that, some 3 or 2 are performing well, more than 15%, nearby 14-15%. And some 3 where it is triggered on the same level, it is at the moment. Okay, so this is what an update. And now we are going to update for the weekly contract. So weekly contract, we are going to update the sheet for 30th to the next week, from 30th to 4th of October. So this is fully workable for the next week. So no need a change on weekly sheet, but you should wait for a monthly sheet to update till tomorrow. Tomorrow evening only you will be getting the right strike price. It is because weekly and monthly it works based on our advanced option strategy positional concept. Okay, so you should wait, and our levels get triggered on month end only. So we are to wait, but weekly is updated for the first week of October. And intraday is also going to update. Now you can look at those stocks which we are going to focus for our intraday trading. And now the sheet is going to be updated for a weekly contract. So what are the strike price and everything will be auto updated here right now. So let me wait and check how the thing is now. Okay, so now all the things is no other stocks is nearing to that 100% or not more than 100%. Means all the strike prices and entry levels are updated here. And maybe on the live market you will be getting the sheet is completely updated on a weekly position, that till at the end of 4th of coming week still it is the same. And if you are looking for a new opportunity, maybe Monday and Tuesday, I think it is an holiday, so maybe 1 or 2 days in the beginning of the week you will be trying to find out for a positional one, and you should wait till the end of the week. And the next week again the sheet is going to be changed, and monthly is no changes here yet, it will be getting a changes tomorrow. Don't confuse on monthly sheet, that would be on first of every month. And intraday sheet also updated. Some of the 3 stock which is showing you exactly 100%, that means it doesn't have a liquidity, so simply ignore, or the sheet will itself reset at 9:30. Those stock which trigger their entry point on their R4 level before 9:30, it will be removed. And after 9:30, if you are looking at an intraday sheet, you will be able to find out the new breakout opportunity. And inside camarilla, so we should update manually as of now. Maybe we will be updating soon that inside camarilla stocks one day advance also. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you have Any other questions or doubt, just comment on the comment box. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And any other doubts or questions, just ping me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Thank you so much. If you want to access this Google Sheet also, monthly subscription available to get more detail about the sheet, and you can just ping me a WhatsApp shown on this video, the number shown on this video. There you can get more update about the sheet. Thank you so much. Thanks for being with me. Thank you.